What's going on, guys? We're back with another video.
We're getting another one, so first one.
Yeah, first video, but another one. Alright, we are on our way to
Penny Fan. With the boys.
One of the viewpoints on BRECON beacons. We got designated driver Basran. We have, introduce yourselves, fellas. We have Josh in the back, and we also have
it's Tommy G back in the whip, fam.
Fuck's sake. Alright, we are on our way to Tesco to grab some munch. And then, yeah, I'll see you shortly.
That's recording again, bro. That's going in.
We are recording again. Oh my god. Alright, we're recording again. So, it's been 2 minutes since I last spoke to you. We are driving, we have survived. So, one on the way.
Hey, we just stopped at Tesco, got some munch, as Neil said. And now he has taken over the driving because my back is absolutely in bits. Any notes from the lads at the back?
The Tesco is fucking massive.
Meeting a plant-based vegan protein bar.
What would you say to everyone that's looking to purchase something similar?
It's alright, you know.
I'll do the transition for Bazzy. We just stopped. Bazzy is applying maintenance to his back.
Applying maintenance.
What are your thoughts on the situation?
So I've just done 8 miles. Probably the easiest 8 miles I've done in my life.
Yeah.
I could go for another, 24.
A serious, impressive athlete.
Yeah.
Anything to say?
No.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? We are currently climbing a massive mountain. And we've climbed all of that. Our car's like there. Josh is not having a good time. Not in life. And Tom has left us. He's the tiny speck that you see in the distance. He was got fed up of waiting, so he just left us. We'll catch up with him, get his account very shortly. How are we feeling, Tom?
Tired. It's very steep, actually.
Yeah, it's very steep. We've made it.
It's the steepest thing I've been up in some time.
Yeah.
I would say it's steeper than Snowdon.
It's good insight.
Thank you. The viewers will like that.
Tom's a seasoned veteran of this game. He's an absolute beast, so you can see sprinting down the hill.
It's crazy, there's loads of them.
Josh is going to be with us shortly.
Josh is going to shortly not be with us any longer.
Mad views. Neil, what's your take on this trail?
Yeah, so I've already done a couple rounds of this already.
Couple laps.
I'm about 18 miles in. Probably say 50% of the way. Yeah. Come back here tomorrow, do the same thing. Yeah. Monday, do the same thing as well. Yeah.
Fair enough. Hello, we're back. The boys are back there. And I don't know where Tom's gone. He's just steamed ahead. I'm not sure where he's gone, but the views are a bit mad. Oh fucking hell. Almost fell over. Straight as I started that. Alright, I'm gonna try this GoPro hyper smooth, see how smooth this footage is if I do a little run. We're testing the hyper smooth out. What's up, fam? I was testing the hyper smooth out and doing a bit of running, innit?
Oh shit.
We're
Yeah, you gotta wait
chilling.
for the satellites to get into
Ready for Josh to set up his drone.
13.
He's
Compass
waiting for some
calibration.
satellite
13
shit.
satellites.
16 satellites. Yeah,
We're pretty much in the clouds right now.
Ooh.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
now we're going to transition to some drone footage.
Oh shit.
And they bang. Alright lads, last stretch.
Good video of that, mate.
Alright, I'll
Sexy. That's sexier than us.
look at this view.
Jeez.
And then there's Tom at the top. You can't even see him, he's a speck right there. So we need to conquer.
This is the second time around this, so we don't.
Yeah, easy. We're just doing laps at this point.
Yeah, it's just
See you at the top.
Down
just another day.
It's a madness.
Oh shit, we did it.
So we survived the mountain, barely. I almost died. I almost fell down, and we're obviously getting some lunch. Got to be Nando's, isn't it?
It's got to be Nando's.
Oh, it got to go.
5 wings, maybe half a chicken, peri chips, coleslaw, water, or if you're a cheeky lad, Sprite.
That's a big meal for a big lad.
Coming back with another video. That's right, here you go. It's Tom, it's Josh. Day 2.
Talk about yesterday.
Well, technically it's day 3 because day 1 you might have missed because Basran didn't vlog that, and he's gonna try and do some post edit to make it look like he's just arrived at Wales, but he hasn't. Day 2 was the long ass walk to Penny Fan. Day 3, off to the beach, BARAFUNDLE Bay, essentially Bali. Mad views. It's gonna be sick. About to take off. Let's go.
All right, we touched down BARAFUNDLE Bay. We had to sort out parking. The internet was a bit messed up, but we got there in the end. Now, some mad views behind us. We're gonna go on a little trail. Anything to add? No, just a sick transition.
Yeah.
I'll add it again.
Quite gonna take it.
It's fine. The boys are at the bay.
Bali.
Let's go.
Is it BARAFUNDLE Bay or is it Bali? You tell me. Who knows? Alright, we've got the lads trying to take some photos.
Views.
Views for days.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Wait, here's the view, pal. That's what I'm talking about.
Mad view. What's going on, guys? We're just currently walking around BARAFUNDLE Bay. Is back there. Neil's here. We're just chilling. These are the current settings. Pretty mad. BARAFUNDLE currently. What's your take on it?
Would recommend. Probably the best spot in Wales if you want to go to the beach. Better than Blackpool, better than Brighton, better than Scunthorpe, better than...
Just best in the UK, really.
One of the best in the UK. Highly recommend.
Definitely.
Not too busy.
On a summer's day, it's easily just indistinguishable from Bali. That's what I've heard anyway. What are you saying?
Yeah, I got told by people that, you know, they thought I was in Bali. I just don't know. It's in the UK.
Who would have thought it?
It's day 7. We've lost Neil somewhere. We're running out of food. This has really not turned out the way any of us expected. It's a nice place, but the sea monsters will get you. We think one ain't Neil. Jordan hasn't come back. He's out looking for supplies right now. Maybe he'll be taken by the monsters as well. This could be the last broadcast we send. Send prayers.
So we're currently a bit lost, not gonna lie. Tom and Neil have trekked into the unknown right now. We made it out of the jungle, we're alive. Don't have to send this to my family, so we go again. Alright, we've been walking for how long? 3 days now? Just trying to get out of the jungle.
Lost Neil.
What we're doing right now, Josh is getting his drone ready to scout out the area. Even got a little helipad on the go. Gonna hopefully lead us home. We'll be back with... We've all been stung multiple times. I don't know if we'll survive, but if you see this, we survived.
That's what I mean. Who's foolishly stepped on the cow shit. It was fresh.
I might actually dash these shoes like when I get back.
These shoes are just absolutely wrecked. Look at him. Anything you want to say, Basran?
Not really, it's not ideal, is it?
How did it happen? Can you just retrace your steps?
Well, Neil was talking to me and just...
We were just talking about Pokemon Go live.
The shit was there and just let me do it.
And look at his acting casual, but really he's a man who's just stepped his shit.
Okay, so we're just signing out. We are checking out the house, the Manden's house. We're gonna go get some wires.
Let's get
Let's go.